Okay, but then so they left some of it, and then they were just worried about getting the rest of those little parts left with the radiation and the treatment. Is this kind of
that's a good way to think about it? Yeah,
Okay.
So some of the seeds embedded in the flesh were right by vital parts of the brain that you don't want to destroy.
Okay, so it's a little bit like that, but is it more like the remaining part of the good part of the melon has turned into seeds, or
No.
Okay, it's just the seeds have pushed their way into other portions, or it's just where they're supposed to be, but they still have cancer and we got to get them out.
So it's like the seeds push themselves into good parts of the brain.
Okay, so now you're going to do things to
Kill those seeds.
kill all those seeds that are in the good parts. Okay, and now tell me what that entails.
So radiation and chemotherapy, and a lot depends on what the final pathology comes back.
Oh, okay, so you don't have the full report yet. But in general, for most cases, that's the course you would take.
Yes.
Okay. I, in my ignorance, just read a few things at the Mayo Clinic website, right? And they said that chemotherapy is usually fairly ineffective because the medicine doesn't pass the blood-brain barrier.
So we use a drug called Temodar that does cross the blood-brain barrier.
Okay, and that's not the typical chemotherapy that we all think of as chemo.
Yeah, it's pills.
Okay.
And there aren't a lot of side effects to it.
Really? So they're not like vomiting and losing their hair and all that stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, how wonderful.
He may lose his hair from radiation.
Oh, is that usually what makes people lose their hair? I don't know.
Radiation chemotherapy is what usually makes them lose their hair for most cancers.
Okay. So in terms of the overall feeling of like you're dying because the chemotherapy is literally killing your body off and then you generate new cells, is that a whole different thing where he's not going to feel that, or he will?
It's a whole different thing.
How wonderful.
Yeah, people usually don't have a lot of side effects to this. Most of the side effects happen with radiation. So one of the few times.
And can you give me a general idea of percentages of success rates?
Depends on the grade.
Okay, let's pretend it's a smack in the middle, just average
It
grade.
also depends on certain staining on the cancer cells.
Oh, okay, so we can't even say yet. We need that pathology report
Because,
in a hurry.
Because you could say the median survival is between 15 months and 20 years.
Oh, that's not helpful at this moment, yeah. Okay. However, in the likelihood of it being terminal is what percentage?
So, based on the grade, a lot of times we can't cure brain tumors.
Okay. But
A lot
in the
depends on
grade,
what it is.
can I ask, does the grade actually mean how fast it's mutating and spreading out and stuff, or does the grade mean how big it is?
How aggressive it looks under the microscope. So,
In terms of how mutated the cell has become? Okay. So you